Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, you guys, I will be showing you how I make my homemade ice cream. So this is a quick and easy recipe that you can follow along to make your own homemade ice cream. So I will be making Napoleon flavor. So I will be using natural cocoa powder for my chocolate portion. Also, for this recipe, you're going to need sweetened condensed milk. You will also need some whipping cream or heavy cream. And for my vanilla portion, I will be adding some vanilla extract. And for my strawberry/cherry portion, I will be adding some pureed cherries as well as some red food coloring. And also, you guys, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And also, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you think about this homemade ice cream recipe. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So first, you're going to start off by adding 2 cups of whipping cream to the mixer, and you're going to mix this until it becomes stiff peak. So as you can see here, our cream is becoming nice and stiff, and this took approximately about 6 minutes of whipping time for it to get to this consistency. So now I'm adding in my 1 can of condensed milk, and then you're gonna continue whipping this to incorporate everything together nicely. And don't forget to go in, guys, to scrape down the sides of your bowl to make sure that everything is mixing properly and well incorporated. So now that I've gotten it to a nice creamy consistency, I will be dividing it to do my 3 separate flavors. So now that I have divided my cream, to my chocolate portion, I will be adding half a cup of natural unsweetened cocoa powder. So now you're gonna get your loaf pan or any container of your choice to just scrape your cream into it. I like using the loaf pan because I find that it freezes very well with the cream. So you can use any container of your choice, but the whole idea is just to scrape it out into your container so that you can refrigerate it. Next, I'm gonna move on to my vanilla flavor, and I washed the mixer out before I did this one because I wanted to make sure that my vanilla stays white. And to this cream, I will be adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So next I'll be moving on to the cherry flavor, where I'll be adding some pureed cherries to the cream and also a couple of drops of red food coloring. So now that our cherry flavor is ready, I'm just gonna be layering it on top. And then once I layer it on top, I will be patting it down nicely and then using the end of the spatula to just give it some swirls in the middle. Next, you're gonna get your saran wrap to cover your cream. And guys, please ensure that the saran wrap is touching the top of your cream. What this does, it prevents ice particles from forming on top of your cream when you put it in the freezer. So you want to make sure that your plastic wrap is packed down nicely on top of your cream before you put it in the freezer. And keep it in the freezer for 6 to 8 hours or overnight before you can take it out and enjoy it. So after 8 hours of it being in the fridge, this is what my ice cream is looking like. nice and creamy. So I'm gonna scoop this out and enjoy a nice bowl of ice cream. So there you have it, guys, a nice creamy scoop of homemade ice cream. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.